I'm Mike. I play with slingshots. Watch this. Now that I have your attention, let's see how this goes down. And welcome back to another episode of Slingshots and Shenanigans. Stay tuned, it's gonna be epic. All right, we got one. Headshot, lights out. Whew. Got it done. Spalted guava natural. You watched me build that a couple videos ago for those of you who have been here for a bit. That's a snowshoe hare, 18 yards, 25-20 taper on 0.7 precise cyan bands and 11mm steel. So this band is 25mm right here, and then as it gets down towards the pouch, it's 20mm. And that is what we get. Let's see if we can't get another. All right. What's up, everybody? It is 12 degrees out. I started filming yesterday and we were using cyan 0.7 from Precise. Too cold for that today. It's dropped like 15 degrees. So we're getting into GZK green territory. I'm gonna get one banded up and I'll see you in the woods. All right, so we had Precise cyan on there and we've switched to GZK green because it is 13 degrees outside. So GZK green performs really well in these conditions. Precise loses a lot of its zip. This is a decent cold weather band, but this is just too cold. Ask me how much I like GZK green. I like it this much. That was some shooting. Wasn't a real long distance shot, but little tiny hole. It's dead, bunny. That shot went right through here, in between this mess of branches. Through this mess of branches. Dropped him. Eyeball shot. That's about as quick as they come. He didn't even flop at all. That was like quartering towards, hit him in the eyeball. That's straight through the brain with a ton of penetration. 9-10 yards maybe. Again, guava, natural. Switched out the bands this morning because it's 12 degrees outside. So that is GZK green at a 23-18 taper, shooting 11 millimeter steel. Putting them down clean. Gotta love it. See you on the next one. Checking in. There's coyote tracks everywhere. There's lynx tracks everywhere. There's eagles in the sky. There's goshawks in the sky. There's a lot of competition. We just came off of like a 10-day warm streak. It was like in the high 30s, low 40s, and now we're back down to like 12, 10 degrees, which is pretty normal for this time of year. And everything's hungry, right? Everything is metabolizing quicker now that it's cold. You got to burn more energy to stay warm. Everything out and about is hunting, including me. Rabbits are on everybody's hit list. Grouse are on some birds' hit lists, right? Coyotes don't really get too many grouse. Lynx do. Lynx can climb trees. They'll ambush them from up in trees and stuff. But yeah, rabbits, bottom of the food chain. Everything eats them. Rabbits are real skittish today. I've spooked a bunch that I normally would be able to get very close to. So there's action in the area. Doing it. Another one down. Another headshot. This guy right here. That one in the eyeball. That's how you gotta do it, man. Headshots or bust. It's getting cold enough to where I gotta put one of these hot hands in my pocket with my camera until I see something or get to a spot where I'm likely to see something, because my batteries are dying quick. We are at 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and these GoPro batteries just can't hang. See you on the next one. What up? I just found a gem. I'm gonna turn this camera around and show you, because this is exactly what I look for when I want a natural and I don't want to cut one from an oversized fork. Check it out. Look at that. Beautiful. It's birch. It's already been damaged. It's gonna make a stunner. I can even steam bend this one on the left and make it match the shape identically to the one on the right. Do a little bit of whittling. Be primo. I'll be back for that one for sure. Got him. Ooh. Aim small, miss small. There we go, right there. Ladies and gentlemen, that's 5 snowshoe hares over the course of 2 days. Shooting this guava slingshot that you can watch me build on this video right here somewhere, if you're into that sort of thing. Today we're using GZK green at a 24-18 taper and 11mm steel. Yesterday we were using cyan, precise cyan at a 25-20 taper and 11mm steel. Today it's like 10 degrees. Yesterday it was like 25-30. Thank you very much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share with like-minded individuals. I'll see you in the woods.